Hey, Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. We're going to do a dirty short here, means this is going to be a very short and quick video. We are doing dirty baked potatoes. There's a fantastic side that you can put with steak, chicken, meatloaf, many other different things. It's simple and easy, and it's kind of a wow, so let's get started. Okay, here's a recipe for this really simple dish here. The star of the show is definitely going to be the baked potato. We're also going to use a little olive oil here, some salt. You got some butter, sour cream, cheddar cheese. This is a special cheddar cheese, 3 cheese things that I found at the store. Some green onions and the original dirt. Oh yeah, we're using the original dirt. You can use the Bayou dirt, you can use the Chesapeake dirt, you can use the Salty Sailor, which one you want to use. It all works with this recipe. So I have washed the baked potato. I'm just gonna show you really quickly. I'm just gonna wash it. So you want it nice and wet, nice and clean. I've got the wire rack here. We're gonna put this on here. Let's go ahead and season the skin now, so it has a lot of flavor. So I'm gonna use some of this kosher salt here, or sea salt. And then we also want to make sure that we poke it a few times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this baked potato, we're going to put this in a 350 oven for 1 hour, and then we're going to check the temperature for 202 degrees. Why? Yes, I'm saying we're going to check the temperature just to make sure it is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Alright, so I've taken out the baked potato. It took us about 1 hour and 1 minute to reach 202 perfect degrees. Now I'm going to take extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to coat the outside of this. This is going to make the skin really nice and extra crispy. So if you noticed, I did not tin foil this. It's much better just to have it straight out in the oven on a wire rack like this. It just works a lot better. So we're going to put this in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to take it out. It's going to be nice and crispy, and we'll put all the fun toppings next. Okay, so while it's in the oven, I'm going to make the topping over here. So if you remember the episode of the Dirty Little Dip, this is basically, I mentioned that you could put this on the top of a baked potato, and I am telling you right now that this is absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put about a half of one of these containers in here. And I'm going to put, we'll say, what we say there, Joshy? Tablespoon? I'll do a tablespoon of the original dirt. Josh is like, I don't know this darn recipe. I'm actually going to do, we're going to say a tablespoon and a half. How do you know this, Todd? I've made dip. When I do these shows, I make these dips all the time. I can tell you just by the look at it. That is perfect. Now we're going to take the baked potato out, and then we're going to put this all together. Alright, so now we got this beautiful potato out, and if you can hear it, it's nice and crispy. So we're going to open this thing right up here, and now we're going to open this bad boy right up, and we're going to take the fork, and we're going to fluff it up in here really well. Just pull everything from the sides, really nice. Alright, now we're going to add some butter. Now we're going to add some cheese right on top. Then the best part, the dirty little dip. A nice dollop right on top. Right there. And then some green onions. How does that thing look, Josh?
Looks great.
Does that look amazing, or does that look amazing? I can't wait to try this. I'm digging in. Oh yeah. I am telling you that with the original dip right on top with all this, I'm telling you the flavors are absolutely amazing. The original dirt just enhances the flavors of everything. The skin is absolutely perfect. I love to eat the skin. You're thoroughly going to enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little recipe. Great for a nice side. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Tell all your friends and family everything about us. And check out our next videos. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.